All right, good afternoon. It is Friday, about 4 o'clock, 4:30. Just got on the water, gonna do some night fishing at Amador. Haven't been out here since I got skunked about a couple months ago when we first got Panoptics and fished for 3 or 4 hours. It is a beautiful winter night and probably fish until maybe around midnight, see if we can catch some big night bass, and I'll bring you guys along and we'll see what we can do. Dude, shallow. I got one. A decent one. It's a good fish. We're gonna keep our best 5, okay? What do you think? Nope. Yep. All right. Fish number 1. Nice little skinny largemouth bass. So up shallow, really shallow. We're gonna see, hopefully that's a pattern and keep throwing shallow. We'll see what we can do. I got another one. Fish on. All right, I think we got a little pattern going, hopefully. Number two, there we go. So, that was 2 fish on the blade bait, throwing it up shallow, letting it just bounce, working it down like a jig almost, letting it flutter. So, gonna keep going and see if we can find some more. All right, I don't know how well you guys can see me, but Drew and I both have our spotlight set up in the back of the boat so we can actually see pretty well out in front. And we've been just working some bank. We're gonna fish into the night and hopefully you guys can see me pretty well. And if not, I'll turn you guys on to, if we catch one, we'll show it off. So hopefully we'll see you in a bit. I got super optimistic when I caught those 2 quick. I think we just got to be in the right spot, you know? There's one. Yep, I think it's small. Fish on. Tiny fish. It's like bullards. Hey, it's a fish though. All right, let's see if we can get some light on me. All right, first fish in the nighttime. It's been slow. That was on a little Ned rig. So even at nighttime, they'll still seek out and find these little guys. So small fish, but it's a fish, so we'll keep going. Not sure if you guys were able to see that, but just pulled in another one on the Ned rig back in this cove. So they're coming, just not very often, but we're still getting a few here and there. All right, that's gonna do it for the night. It's about 10 o'clock. It was getting chilly, feet were getting cold. Bite wasn't bad, wasn't horrible, wasn't great though. Wasn't worth staying, grinding it out when it's getting chilly. I think I got four altogether, 2 decent ones, two barely keepers, but hey, 4 fish, better than nothing. Last time I was out here, I got skunked, so happy to find 4. Hopefully that means the bite's starting to get better everywhere, and we'll see what we can do next time. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.